Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy a subscription on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Tinder app and navigate to the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons down there and you want to tap on the one labeled Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can manage your account settings and subscription options. Once you're on your profile, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there which represents your settings menu. Go ahead and tap on this gear icon to access all your account configurations and upgrade options. After tapping the gear icon, you'll be taken to a new page where you can see the different subscription tiers that Tinder offers. These subscriptions unlock premium features that enhance your experience on the app, such as unlimited likes, rewinds, and priority visibility. The three main options you'll see are Platinum, Gold, and Plus, each offering different levels of features and benefits. Now take a moment to review which subscription tier best fits your needs. You can tap on Platinum, Gold, or Plus to see what each one includes. For this example, let's say you decide to go with Platinum, which is Tinder's top-tier subscription offering the most comprehensive set of features. Tap on Platinum to proceed. After selecting Platinum, you'll be presented with different billing plans. Tinder typically offers several options here, such as a 1-month plan, a popular plan which might be 3 or 6 months, and a best value plan which is usually an annual subscription. The longer plans generally offer a lower monthly rate, so choose the one that works best for your budget and how long you plan to use the premium features. Once you've decided, tap Continue to move forward with your purchase. Next, you'll need to select a payment method. Tinder accepts various payment options including credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. For this example, let's say you want to use PayPal. Scroll through the payment options and tap on Add PayPal. This will redirect you to PayPal's secure login page. On the PayPal login screen, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, PayPal will show you the payment details and ask you to confirm the transaction. Review the amount and make sure everything looks correct, then proceed to complete the payment. PayPal will process the transaction securely and send you a confirmation once it goes through. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a Tinder subscription and can now enjoy all the premium features that come with your chosen plan. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.